Hi there. So I have actually put together a RoboHelp project to test this. And what I've done is I've created 3 folders with 3 topics in each folder. One folder that says Access, one that says SQL, one that says XML. Since it seemed like you were dealing with databases, I thought it would be appropriate to kind of put it in that context. And as you can see, I've got index entries here. I've got a table of contents for everything. And I configured my default topic with links that point to one of the topics. So if I look at my responsive HTML5 and I look at the Customize button, I've got a group that I created called Hide Databases. And what I've got is conditional build expressions for excluding access, excluding XML, and excluding SQL. I think I said XQL, I meant SQL. And then I've got where I just use the tags themselves. I have a tag I created called access, one for SQL, one for XML. I'm going to cancel that, and we'll take a look briefly at my conditional build expressions. If I preview the topic, I can see that I've got an exclude access, which means boom, access is going to go away. If I click define, I can look here at my expressions. So here's access, and basically I'm excluding access from the output. So if I look at the advanced, it says not access. And likewise, if it's exclude XML, it's going to say not XML. Typical stuff for build tags or build expressions. So if I generate my output, I've already generated it and I've got it open in my browser over here. This is what we're going to see. So I've turned off my filters here. So I can see my table of contents shows me access, SQL, and XML. Here I've got the build expressions. Okay, so if I choose exclude XML, of course that should go away, and certainly it does. I notice my index takes it away there, takes it away from my table of contents. The moment that I choose exclude access, in addition to that, boom, it comes back. Table of contents comes back, the index comes back. I'm not sure if what we're seeing here is a bug in RoboHelp. It very well could be, and if it is, we need to report that to Adobe. But typically the way I think of filters working is simply by pointing at the tags themselves. So I'm going to reset things for my filters. And I want to choose basically just from the tags themselves what I want to see. So if I click and enable access here, I'm not choosing a build expression. I'm just choosing what I want to see. So if I click access, everything goes away except for that link. Likewise, in my index, everything goes away except for what I wanted to see. And likewise, as far as my table of contents, everything disappears except for what I wanted to see. If I want to see 2 of them together, perhaps access and XML, boom, that shows up here. I see it now in my index, and I see it now in my table of contents. So I think, the answer that you're probably wanting here, or looking for, I don't know if it's the answer you want, but basically it seems to be just to use the tags themselves and not the build expression. Even though we see that we can put a build expression in there, I think probably what you would want to do if you were doing a build expression would be to disallow multiple options. If you wanted to use a build expression, you would probably want to choose only a single option to then make whatever go away. But that may not be what you're looking for. I'm not sure. I hope this video helps in some way, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.